Hello and welcome to the second vlog from our trip here to Orlando. Seems very weird saying that, the fact we only landed about 2 hours ago. And if you've not already seen it, check out our travel vlog where we made the journey all the way from London Gatwick, all the way through to Orlando. We show you our accommodation, where we're staying on the trip, talk a little bit about the public transport, and at the end of that, we showed you some footage where you actually saw like a lightning storm over Orlando. Now that does seem to have settled down a little bit, and I did say at the end of that we was coming to ride the Orlando Starflyer, which is only a couple of months old, it's brand new. And yeah, we've made our way down here and we are pleased to confirm that it's open and we're about to ride the Starflyer. But one thing I've not mentioned about this, it's actually the world's tallest Starflyer at 450 feet in the air. It's 450 foot tall, but I'm struggling to find where it is. Like, I'm really not too... There it is.
Let's just get it over with.
Enough of the jokes. So yeah, there it is, the world's tallest Starflyer. It's been open a couple of months. And yeah, this is the way to kick off the trip. We're going straight in. We literally checked into our hotel, dumped the bags off, had a McDonald's, and we've come down here to International Drive to come and ride this. I mean, Alex, are you excited?
I'm going to go as far as to say now, this is probably the most terrified I've ever been about doing something ever with rides, attractions, anything in my entire life.
To be honest, I mean, I'm not even scared of heights or speed or anything like that. It'd be a bit silly if I was. But with these Starflyers, I mean, yeah, like you are quite exposed on them, aren't you? And it's only chains. What like?
Yeah,
let's get a bit
closer. I didn't want you to mention.
Let's get a bit closer. Now, this has actually got really good opening times. It's open all throughout the day, and it's actually open up until 2 AM. It's just under $13 as of September 2018 for a ride. And you can also pay for a re-ride, which is $8. So not too bad at all, really. I think it's reasonably priced. I mean, I didn't look at the prices before turning up here today, and I said to Alex as we was walking over from McDonald's, I think it'll be about $15. So
that
yeah,
McDonald's suddenly doesn't
cheaper.
feel very good though. Suddenly that McDonald's is starting to like circulate again.
I just like how you put a shirt on for the Starflyer, to be honest. Like,
I'm actually like scared.
But just think, you're going to get some beautiful views. You're going to see over to SeaWorld, Universal. You'll see maybe even Spaceship Earth over at Epcot.
Like I paid for it and then I'm like, actually, what the hell am I doing? Why have I just got?
Well, we just sort of walked to it quite quick, didn't we? And you, like when you stand here and actually look at the size of this
purpose,
thing.
didn't you? Dupe me.
No, would I ever do that?
I am actually.
But don't worry, you get to see Mickey. We're in the Magic Kingdom, aren't we? So you know.
I'll worry about tomorrow if I make it.
Yeah, you get the Magic Kingdom. You get all the magic on this trip.
Let's see all the Magic Kingdom in just a moment on there.
Well, let's have a little look then. So yeah, here's the height restriction: 44 inches to ride, and I believe that we can take the GoPro on with the chest mount. So yeah, before this guy bails out...
I really wish I was 43 and 3/4 inches right now.
Before he bails out, let's get in that queue line and let's ride the world's tallest Starflyer, the Orlando Starflyer, just here outside Icon Orlando, what used to be known as the Orlando Eye, which is literally just around the back here, which is running a crazy light package as well. You can just make it out there behind the building. You've also got the iDrive Star Bar, that's where you buy your tickets over there, and there's a tourist info as well. I need to shut up, we need to get in this queue because I genuinely think Alex might bail out here. So let's get on there, the GoPro's ready to go, and let's go and ride this 450 foot tall Starflyer. We'll see you in the seats. Here we are then, seated. As you can see here, it's using the same style seat belts as what you'd expect on the other versions of this ride around the world. Obviously not quite as tall as this one.
Hold on to these.
Oh, I know, like, these chains, what you got? 8 chains holding us up at 450 foot in the air. It's crazy. Just keep reminding him. See, obviously with this here, you got this seat belt that does lock down there. Obviously that won't pull out. You've also got another seat belt that locks, that goes around your waist just here. Obviously the bar at the top there. So you are secure. I must say the lighting on this is absolutely incredible. We're just waiting for them to load the rest of it, and then we'll be off.
Down here, it doesn't look that much, but
from a distance,
when you're driving from the airport, it's the first thing you see in central Orlando. That's when you know it's tall.
Here we go. Let's wait for a dispatch.
Wake me up when it's over.
Wake me up when it's all over. Here we go. We're only about 20 feet off the air. It already feels high.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like this.
Oh, you can see fireworks at Disney. Happily ever after.
Oh,
wow. Oh, talk about timing.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Oh.
Ooh, it's high.
Oh, it's so high. We're not even near the top.
Oh, Volcano Bay over there.
Oh, it's a beautiful view.
Spaceship Earth over there.
Oh,
You're probably not going to be able to hear me, so I'm not going to say loads.
Icon Orlando.
Wow.
Holy.
What a time to come up when Happily Ever After is on at the Magic Kingdom over there.
Reach out and find your happily.
Oh, we're spinning.
Don't you dare. It's you that's doing it.
What?
Oh, don't you stop it. Stop it. Oh my God.
Wow. You put your feet out like that, you spin a bit.
I'm actually, oh!
It amazes me to think that 8 chains are holding us in.
Thank you for keeping
450 foot tall.
Height as well. Oh my God. Wow.
It's even more crazy in the dark, but I will. Oh God.
Oh, I knew, man. Whoa. I'm yelling timber, I'm going to be sick. Oh.
It's not that bad.
Wow. It's beautiful, but Jesus.
I feel like we need to do that in the daytime at some point.
I think I'll watch you and film you.
I will definitely have to do that in the daytime. But at night, all the lights. Happily Ever After.
I'm alright now. This is it. I'm near the ground. People aren't ants anymore.
Oh, beautiful. Loads of fireworks then.
Wow, look at the view.
Was that the finale? Oh no, it's still going.
I think that's near the finale, but it's
I'm
not.
not sure if it's picking it up on the GoPro, but right in the distance. Wow. It's not a ridiculously long cycle, it's only 2 minutes.
But it was worth it.
It's enough, isn't it, I think, 2 minutes on that. Wow. I love that. That's hands down the best Starflyer I've ever done.
Certainly the biggest.
Yeah, the views on that. And the fact you're going up higher than Icon Orlando just there. We still find it funny how that's called Icon, don't we? Oh, wow. Let's get lower back down and talk a bit more about that experience. Wow. Talk about good timing with that one. It's just started to rain a little bit, not too much, it's only spitting, but oh my God, what an awesome experience. And it was worth it just to see Alex like really scared on that one.
I'm glad I did it though.
Yeah.
It's the fear of looking at it and seeing, thinking, oh my God, 8 chains, but it is 8 chains.
Absolutely
Brilliant.
Massive. Like, honestly, the size of it, and the fact we timed it so well with the fireworks at Magic Kingdom. On our way back down, I did actually notice it wasn't Happily Ever After, it was actually Hallowishes, because it's Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party going on tonight. And if you don't know what that is, maybe you're a bit clueless to Disney and don't know a lot about it, we will be doing a full vlog from Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, which is a separate ticketed event at the Magic Kingdom during this trip to Orlando. But that Starflyer, obviously the best one of those that I've ever done. I absolutely loved that, and the fact that it looks really nice as well. A lot of these are travelling rides with like a base, what looks very temporary. With this, it's finished off nice. It's an experience. Like, you look at all this down here, all the tiles, like the little statues, the lighting package, the fact it's got the bar, the tourist info, everything around it, really makes it for me.
It's worth mentioning, it's a Tuesday night, right? Everyone's either at work or they're busy, or the few people who are holiday makers here are enjoying the night. Well, this thing opens till 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Genius, brilliant, but how great. So go to the parks, stay till midnight, doesn't matter. Come down on your way home back to your hotel if you're staying on International Drive. If you're staying out, it's really easy to get to. Great attraction. Doesn't feel like it's Halloween.
No.
It's great. The weather's gorgeous. What a ride. The lighting, I think, makes it. I think it's night ride.
I think it's a night ride, but I would like to do it in the daytime on this trip. But yeah, anyway, if we head inside, there's a few different things to look around inside there. Like I said, when we was buying our tickets and before we went on, there's a few different images and stuff in there on the wall about the construction. So yeah, let's have a little look inside the main building just here before wrapping up the video here from the Orlando Starflyer. Honestly, I've got to show you it again. Look at that. This lighting package, hopefully they'll keep it well maintained as well. Something like this needs to keep looking awesome. But yeah, the sheer size of that is absolutely crazy. Incredible experience. So like I said, just outside here in the ticket centre, we've got all these different displays up with lots of different concept art and designs on there. As you can see here, you got one that was designed there back in 2007. All this structure just here, and I really do like the branding of it, that silver and blue, and it does look stunning in the daytime. Like I say, at some point this trip we'll definitely have to come back down here and see it during daylight hours. Obviously a big spanner there that I assume they used to tighten all the bolts here, and you can see the bolts there. The size of those is crazy. And if I put my hand just there next to them, gives you a good idea of the size of those. Obviously that's the top section there with the guy standing next to it, and down the bottom here as well. I do love how they've got all this on display. And there's also a few more pictures around here if we move around. As you can see here at the top, you've got like the big globe just there that's on the top. And the sign in it there as well, which is quite cool. I like how they've done that. If I own something like this or help with the construction, I definitely want to sign it. And then of course here on the left you can see it during its construction phase as well, just there. And this went up pretty quick, really. It's amazing to see how it went up as quick as it did there. I believe there's some more images round in the bar, actually.
Let's go into the bar.
Yeah, let's have a look. That's a nice image, actually, like shining up through the structure, through the truss. Obviously the back of the seats there as well with the LED lights on. The lighting package really makes it. More photos this way.
Check out this one.
Oh yeah, I've just filmed that one. I just got that. Yeah, it's great. I love it.
Look at the size of the workmen.
Oh my god.
That
gives you an idea on the scale of this structure. Again, another nice image there. Looking up through it. Foundation work there. Yeah, and it's really nice how they've got all this bar through as well. I really like it.
The best way is to tell people to come and learn about it is to come and ride it, isn't it? You know, the same with a lot of things. Cameras can only pick up so much. The atmosphere and the feeling. I mean, it's quite intense, but it's great fun.
Yeah, really nice around here. So it's great to see there that they've put all the construction images up, they've built the bar in there as well, and all the cocktails are themed all around it, all the drinks what they do, which is really nice to see as well. As an overall package, I think that is top class, a world class experience, and for just under $13, I don't think that's too bad at all. Like I say, I was expecting to pay like $15 for that, and so yeah, I really enjoyed that, a really good overall package, and in my opinion, I do prefer that to what used to be known as the Orlando Eye, but as I mentioned at the start, it is now known as Icon Orlando. Nothing to do with Blackpool Pleasure Beach, I have to say, but yeah, the Eye here is nothing to do with Merlin anymore, but it's quite interesting because the setup here, and we have done a vlog from here before, but obviously you've got Sea Life on one side, Man in Tussauds on the other side, and then you had the Orlando Eye in the middle. I just find it really interesting now how the deal hasn't gone, it's obviously fell through. And it just means that now you've got 2 Merlin attractions at each side, and then you've got the big wheel in the middle that's nothing to do with Merlin. Seems like something a bit shifty's gone on to me, but obviously it did end up getting sponsored by Coca-Cola, so maybe that's had something to do with it. But I don't know, I wouldn't want to speculate too much on it, but all we know is yeah, it's a mystery, isn't it?
And it's now got a new name for 2018.
It's a new
Icon.
name, and it's Icon, and it's not a double launch coaster from Mack Rides.
What?
It's not. It's a Ferris wheel, but it's got a really nice fountain package out the front. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up this vlog. Only a quick one, but like I say, I felt that the Starflyer deserved its own vlog so you guys could see it really. I just didn't want it to get mixed in with a lot of the stuff what's been here for many years in Florida. It's a brand new attraction and it's a brilliant attraction. It certainly exceeded my expectations.
Oh, you got the full fountain.
Oh, here we go. What a way to wrap up the vlog. I wonder what was happening then. You scared me. I jumped then. God.
Oh, I thought it was going to fall
I
in.
want the spooks at Halloween Horror Nights, not from some fountains.
You in 2 nights.
Anyway, there you go. Thank you very much for watching this little vlog here from the Orlando Starflyer. I'm Sean Sandbrook, this is Theme Park Worldwide, and that means it's time to cue those credits. See you in the next video.